Hi, I'm Robert Braswell, and this is a special edition of 2 Minutes with TMC. Here at the 2018 USA Science and Engineering Festival, we're here representing the Technology and Maintenance Council and all the opportunities that are available to elementary, middle, and high school students in the trucking industry. We're part of the Engineering and High Technology Pavilion here at Hall E in the Walter E. Washington Convention Center in Washington, D.C., and we've been here for 3 days.
TMC was one of 500 exhibitors at the 700,000 square foot show April 6, 7, and 8.
It's been a great show. We've had about 2,000 or 3,000 people come by the booth for TMC out of more than 350,000 people that were here for this weekend's show.
Helping us work the booth at the show was Jeff Ospey with FedEx Freight, who was a top wrench technician and a TMC SuperTech veteran.
This has been a fantastic opportunity to reach out to the younger generation, along with some of their parents, to get involvement in their, get some interest going in our industry. A lot of them are not aware that we don't use grease guns and hammers as much as technology is advanced now. 3 out of 4 technicians are using laptops half the day, 3/4 of the day, and just so much more technical. They just never realized it.
Part of what we're doing here is showing folks how different parts of a truck work. One of the pieces that was donated to us for the booth was an electrical training board from Dunbar Armored, using a device they use to actually train technicians on how the vehicle electrical system works on an armored car. Kids of all ages were having fun playing with that and learned a little bit about how circuits work. TMC's presence here at the Expo would not be possible without all the folks that helped us, including Dunbar Armored, FedEx Freight, the Tech Force Foundation, the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE, and of course the Technology and Maintenance Council and ATA itself. And that's all the time we have for 2 Minutes with TMC. Once again, this program is brought to you by the good folks at Meritor. Until next time, this is Robert Braswell. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.